So to take your tank off, you're going to want to start by removing this bolt, this plate across here, and the same two on the other side. And then you should be able to pull it up, tilt it on its side, and get at everything underneath. So once you get your tank up and available so everything is accessible, you're going to want to disconnect your fuel level sensor, sender, fuel pump, everything like that. Disconnect your main fuel line. You're going to want to have your tank fairly empty, and you're going to want to have it tipped to the side when you unplug this so you don't have too much fuel coming out. And if you do have much, well, there's not a whole lot that you can do about it besides plugging this hole. And then you're going to take off this vent line. So that just pulls right off. There's a little clip here. That's all you got to worry about. And then you pull your tank off and set it on the ground somewhere off to the side. And you just unclip this connector right down here on top of the transmission. In order to do that, you can see here there's a little clip just kind of on the underneath of this that actually holds this connector onto the transmission. Let's see if I can get this here on video. You get your screwdriver there, pry it up, and then that should slip right off. Just like that. Now you can take that off and you can fight with this connector a little easier. And then in disconnecting this, there's a little tab here that you can see inside there. It's got to get pried up and then you can separate those two. Once you get those two connectors separated, you take your SpeedoHealer cable and plug the ends into either side of it. This one goes in here, like so. That slips back onto there. And this one jumps over, connects that to your stock harness. And then these two, you can tie them up together with a zip tie to keep them from rubbing on things. So once you've done and got it all zip tied, they're running along up through these clamps, zip tied along the way, and then up through this other clamp. You can get this apart and run it through there. You wind up with something about this. So after all that's done, we can get ready and throw our tank back on. Yeah.